Hello friends, welcome back on my channel. My name is Pooja and in this video I am going to share my favorite prayer that we should follow each and every day for healing our mind. If we are in trouble, if we are in condition that is really tough, so we should follow, and after getting goodness in our life we should continue with these lines. So I am going to share with you. Keep connected and stay tuned till in the video. So guys, my prayer is that God grant me the serenity to accept the thing that I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. So these are the 3 lines you have to recall every day and night before going to sleep, before when you wake up early in the morning. If you really think that things is not going to work, or if you are thankful to God, if you are to really want to know that what is reality between that you don't have and you cannot change, that you don't have and you can change. We don't have idea that what we don't have can be changed, or what we don't have cannot be changed. This simple 3 lines prayer makes you clarify that to accept the things that you really cannot change, and make you clear that you don't have but you can change. It will give you courage to change the things that you really possible for yourself. And if you recall it again and again, then you will get the question that what is the difference between having things that I cannot change, the things that I cannot change, and the things that I don't have but I can change. It's a very helpful, what I say, prayer if you use it regularly. God is everywhere. They always wants you. They always want to call. God always waiting for us. We don't have idea that where is God, what is God. But once you believe in this line, you will definitely going to meet with God. You will definitely going to meet with your dreams. One thing that I would like to say you that money is waiting for you. If you are thinking that I should earn money a lot, so money is waiting for you. You have to think in this way. If you want a good health, so you have to think that health is waiting for me. If you want a better and happiest life, so firstly start to think that happiest life is waiting for me. I have to take action. So I think it will helpful you. It might be helpful you. And it not might be, it must helpful if you follow these 3 lines, poetry, 3 lines, prayer, whatever you can say. So I think it will help you, and stay connected with me. I will meet you with next segment with something else that might makes your life better. So thank you. Stay connected, stay tuned.